Your 90-day transformation roadmap. A simple, structured 90-day learning path that builds clarity, confidence, and cash flow from AI skills. Well, let me guess. You just discovered what AI can do. You are excited, energized, motivated, but also completely overwhelmed. Should I start with ChatGPT or go high level or Zapier? Should I learn prompting or automation first? How do I go from learning to actually earning? And that's totally normal. Most people start their AI journey by collecting tools and tutorials without a clear path and burn out within weeks. That ends today. A 90-day transformation you can actually stick to. So, in this lesson, I'm giving you what most courses skip, a step by step roadmap that tells you what to learn, in what order, which specific income goal to aim for, and you will go from confused and scattered to focused, skilled, and profitable in just 90 days. So let's zoom out, simplify the noise, and map your journey. So we are going to break your 90-day path into three clear phases. Phase 1 would be to learn and launch. The goal here would be to build your AI foundation and finish one real project. What you will focus on: AI fundamentals, prompting, automation, basic tools, your first income skill, example, prompt engineering, automation workflows, picking your niche and researching pain points, and practicing with personal or sample business projects. Milestone to hit by day 30: you publish one portfolio ready project, join and engage in the private community, and choose one target industry to focus your services. So you don't have to chase perfection. You have to chase progress. And this phase is about motion and not mastery. Phase 2 will talk about build and monetize. Package your skill. Start offering services. Get your first client. So what you will be focusing on: service creation, automation packages, prompt audits, and BI consulting, etc. Simple outreach strategies: LinkedIn, Upwork, cold email. Build a landing page or proposal system using templates, case studies, and testimonials. Some of the milestones to hit by day 60: launch a simple offer, DM, Fiverr, GHL, LinkedIn. Deliver your first free or paid project. Collect one success story or testimonial, because done is better than perfect, and you will iterate as you go. Phase 3, we would come into the scale and systemize. Day 61 to day 90. The goal here would be to turn your skill into a system and grow your income. What you will focus on: creating repeatable systems, templates, automations, workflows, packaging retainers, subscription models, or productized services, using feedback to improve offers, planning next steps, client pipeline, team, upsells. The milestones to hit by day 90 would be to achieve $1,000 to $5,000 in income, automate part of your workflow, start building waitlist or recurring revenue, and this is where you shift from freelancer to a founder mindset. So let's talk about your starter pack. Here is what most successful students use within the first 30 days. So this is in front of you. For prompting, you can use ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, to build business plans, scripts, and research. Automation, Zapier, Make.com, and Gumloop, workflow automations, and go high level as well. No code dev, Replit, Glide, Notion, Webflow. Go high level, building simple tools. Design, Canva AI, Midjourney, visual content and branding. Copywriting, Jasper, Copy.ai, Write Sonic. Funnels, sales pages, emails, and so on. And you have BI and data, Google Sheets, ChatGPT, Tableau, dashboards, insights, reportings, and so on. But you don't need all of them on day one. But having your personal AI stack is like having a business toolkit on autopilot. Some of the mistakes to avoid: learning randomly with no time block, switching niches too early, waiting too long to start charging, over preparing instead of building. We fix all of these with one simple tool. So the exercise here is to create your personalized learning schedule. Download the 90-day planner template from the resources. Block just 60 to 90 minutes per day with 3 activity types: learn, build, and share. So watch a lesson, follow an example, build, apply the tool, don't just watch, and share, post in community, engage, and publish your portfolio. Now, pause here and do this now. Block your AI time on your calendar. Choose your golden hour of productivity. Add your weekly review check-ins, because you're not just learning, you are creating momentum that compounds every week. Some of the key takeaways that we are having here is the path to success isn't vague. It's 90 days away with a system. Every 30 days has a purpose. Learn, monetize, and scale. Wealth isn't built from hours, it's built from better focus. And your AI stack is your leverage machine. Quick wins checklists. Download the 90-day planner. Pick your tools and create your AI stack. Set day 30, 60, and 90 goals in your planner. And post your day 1 commitment in the community. That's all for today. You are ready. We'll go from beginner to strategist in just a few lessons. So let's build your first AI money skill.